Hey guys, today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use this college project. First we're going to log in. Feel free to email that guy. This guy. Feel free to. I think he's real. Okay, we've logged in to a customer account. We're gonna go to shows. Shit, there's no shows. You know what? We're gonna go to an employee account, and go make a show for our good pal John 2 for our good pal John 2 to book, because he wants to go see them. And the show's gonna be John 2 special time. John Test is gonna be putting it on. Give me 10 quid ticket price. It's gonna be there. Only one ticket, because it's for John 2. Happening soon. Cool. It's right there. Let's go get John booked. Okay, so to book a show, you go to the shows section, you click on the show, you want to hit book, and you want to hit yes. And it says book and complete, you hit OK, and now it's booked. Like, we go look at my account, look at that, it's a booked show. How cool. I can click on detail, I can see everything. That's awesome. Okay, so in the artist section, we can search for artists. Let's say we want to find John Test. He's there. He has 2 shows. These 2. This one was ages ago, so we can't. I mean, I think I can. Damn, this college shoots. Oh, it disappeared. Where'd it go? I don't know. Let's go cancel our booking to these shows that have already happened. I don't know why I could do that. Why is it? Yeah, this shit works. This works. Quackstack gang, you know it. This works. Go log into the owner account. I stole the email and password from that one Twitter data breach a couple years back. Let's go cancel this stupid ass show. It's not happening anymore. I said it isn't. Now let's make a new artist. What should we call it? We're calling it Quackstack. We're gonna make some hella good country music over on Quackstack. Stay tuned for that. Sorry, I've just been dusting in my room. Yeah, I've been. Look at my OBS. I've been dusting in my room. Sorry about a cough. I'll cut it out. No, I won't. If we come over to the database though, and we go look at the artist table, and we refresh it. Let's refresh the artist table really quick. Holy shit, there we are. Quackstack Nation, you gotta like and subscribe for that one. Yeah. Okay, back to the software. And let's bring up our little. Yeah. Let's search for John. Let's search for John. You guys feeling John 2 or John 6? Why? Man, whoever made this shit fucking sucks. That's pitiful. I wouldn't make them mistakes, because I'm cool. That's not a customer, that's the employee. I don't know why I could search. You know, you'd have thought that I'd have, like, thought of it. Not me. I didn't make this. Whoever made this would have thought that maybe you shouldn't be able to search for the owner. Because now what's stopping an employee... Let's come over, Actually, let's not go over there. Let's go over there as John 2. The customer. I don't know what the den means. There's a button there. Holy shit, it tells you. That's awesome. Let's book. I'm gonna get 10,000 people go into this floor on the 31st of August at 56:54 for chicken nuggets, and the special arrangement is quack stacking, but that, oh shit, whoever made this is actually like kind of, they thought about that. That's crazy. Is that in the thing now? Hell yeah. I think we should update that. Oh, it capped at 100 people? Let me get that back up. Okay. Fine, it's just me going on. It's just me with my chicken nuggets on the 31st of August. 2025. I don't like my current password. Look at my password. Look at this password. Holy shit, that's a good password. Look at that shit. Let's change it. Let's change it on camera. This isn't on video. On video. Quack stack. Look, that's what I typed. Quack stack. Shit. Man, I didn't think. I thought of everything. Whoever made this shit didn't think of shit. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's book this shit again. Oh shit. It got no tickets. Because it was only one ticket. And then I got it. Let's cancel this. That doesn't make the tickets go back up, because why would it? You'd have thought whoever made this would have thought about that, but clearly they didn't. This shit was a while ago. God damn. Let's have this happen again. Let's have it happen. Shit, I don't know. Sure. Why not? Cool. I think that's all from me. Quackstack Nation. Hope you enjoyed this epic tutorial on how to use this random motherfucker's college project. Oh, let's actually make an account before we go. Quackstack at quack.com, because that's our email. Email us, guys. Send us your requests. Look at a password here. The amazing world of Quackstack, and let's type that again. We made that fucking account. Let's close this shit. Let's go look at our fucking account. Right there at the bottom, number 40. Shout out Pete Plankton. PetePlankton53 at tdi.co.uk. Email that guy. Email Pete Plankton. What about noshowsbilly@gmail.com? Email him as well. Or any of the Phil Phillips. There's 5 of them. They're all working. They're all at tdi.co.uk. There's also 5 Pauline Pauls at gmail.com. Malcolm Email at gmail.com. Ron Electrician at gmail.com. thomastankengine@gmail.com. Email these guys. Email this Chinese dude. Email him. Email him. Hell yeah. Is that a language? Maybe. I don't know. I don't think w@w.w is a real email, but try it anyway. Tell him Quackstack sent you, because I did. God did. Shout out DJ Khaled. It didn't actually close. Yeah, look at this fucking code. Look at this shit. Whoever made this wrote so much shit. Why? I don't fucking know. This shit sucks. Shout this out though. Look at all this. Look at all this shit. Look at all this shit. There's so much shit. Alright. That's been this quack stacking. Hope you stacked. Hope you quacked. And I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Yeah.